Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite joining methods today for those times whenever you losing yarn chicken, or if you're just needing to attach another ball because either you're changing colors or whatever the reason. This is really good, especially when you're in the middle of a project, not necessarily at the end of the row. It's good for that too, but the main thing I use it for is if I run out of yarn in the middle of a row, just because especially with blankets, I'm sure you guys know they use several balls of yarn, so that does tend to happen. And this keeps it secure, and you also don't have to worry about weaving in as many ends. So I do have two different colors of yarn here because it's a little bit easier to see how I'm going to be using this join method if there's two separate colors for it, just so you can see kind of what I'm doing. So I know a lot of times like you want to go ahead and tie right here. This method, we're going to do that in a way, but we're going to make it a little bit more secure. So this is called the Russian joining method. I use it for literally all of my projects. So what we're going to do is instead of taking these two and tying them together right here, I'm going to take this one. You can do it either way, whichever one you want to do first. But I'm going to take the yellow and I'm going to attach it to the orange. But I'm going to come down a little ways on here. So I'm going to come down to about here, and I'm going to go ahead and make a knot. Okay. And then what I'm going to do with this orange one is I'm going to take it on this yellow, and then I'm going to make a knot on it down here. You just have to do one knot on it. If you don't need to do two. I mean, if for some reason you wanted to do two, I mean, you can. It's not going to move as easily though. So this is what it's going to look like whenever you have it tied on each side. So what we're going to do is I'm taking this side and this side, so not the area that's joined, and I'm going to pull. See? Now, as you can see, it's super sturdy. The other nice thing is you can take this you can cut it down. It's a lot easier to weave that in than like a whole tassel basically on each side, and as you can see, I can pull on it really hard and it's not going anywhere. And then you would just be able to continue. So this is the method that I use for attaching yarn. So definitely I hope this helps, especially whenever you're making blankets. So that way you have a way to attach your, extra ball of yarn, and you have a few less ends to weave in, because most of us don't like doing that. So I definitely hope this helps. And if there's any other stitches or anything like that that you'd like to see me show you how to do, definitely leave that in the comments down below. And happy crocheting!